Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Wavins Meet on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play Wavins Meet on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Wavins Meet, and then you're going to select the platform that you want Wavins Meet on. So if you want it on Steam, you're going to select Steam. If you want it on Epic Games, you're going to search for Epic Games here and then click onto the Epic Games link, but I'm going to do it on Steam. You'll need to log your Steam account in. And then you're going to scroll down here, click play game, click yes, Steam is installed if you already have Steam, but if you don't have Steam, you're going to click on no, I need Steam, and then it will download Steam on your computer. Click open then, and then it will ask you where you want to install the game on. You just select the directory where you want it to install, and then it will install in your computer and you'll be able to play Wavins Meet on your computer then. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.